Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. I hope you all are inside your houses and staying safe. I am Vishali Gupta and I will be teaching you maths. So we will be starting with our chapter 1, numbers. Students, what are numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we are reading in our daily lives. These all are numbers. And what is the importance of reading numbers? Numbers are very important part of our lives because for finding the date or to watch out the time or to calculate our marks, everywhere we require numbers. That's why we study numbers. So we will be starting our first topic of chapter 1, numbers, that is place value. So what is the place value? You all know what is the place value. Place value is the value of a digit on whichever place it lies. I am repeating, place value is the value of a digit on whichever place it lies. For example, let's take this example. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. We have studied in our previous classes that these are the places. That these are all are the places. And if I write a number here, these all are values. These all are places and these all are values, and combiningly they are called as place value. If somebody asks me what is the place value of one's place, I will not say 3 or I will not say ones. My answer should be 3 ones. My answer should be 3 ones. And 3 ones refers to 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. In previous classes, you were directly writing 3. But in 4th class, you have to show the multiplication and then write your answer. Now moving on to our next digit, 4 tens. Here T stands for tens, O stands for ones, H stands for hundreds, thousand stands for TH stands for thousands. 4 tens means 4 tens. You can write like this also, or you can write 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40. So in both ways we can write our place values. Moving to next number, 200. How do we write 200? It is 2h, which is 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200. So this is how our place values are formed. Moving to next number, 7,000s. 7th or 7 multiplied by 1000, that is equals to 7,000s. This is how again our place value is formed. 3 ones, 4 tens, 2 multiplied by 100, 200, 7 multiplied by 1000, 7,000. So everywhere we are multiplying with the number concerned. Then coming to 10,000 and lakhs. These two place values are now added in your new class 4. T.th stands for 10 thousands and L stands for T.th stands for 10 thousands and L stands for lakhs. So somebody asked me if I write two numbers here. So what is the place value of 10,000's place? It is 5 10,000. Or we can multiply 5 with 10,000. So what is the value of 10,000? You must not be knowing. In ones place there is no zero. In tens place there is single zero. In hundred place there are 2 zeros. In thousands place there are 3 zeros. So every time 110 is adding. So in 10,000's place there are 4 zeros. So our final answer is 50,000. Our final answer is 50,000. Now moving on to next place value. 2L. 2L. How many zeros are there in lakh? So that we can multiply. Every time 110 is increasing. So in lakh also 1 0 will increase. And now it becomes 5 zeros here. So our answer is 2 lakh. So now our answer is 2 lakh. So these are all are the place values of the number. See, on whichever place the digit is lying, the place value is according to that. If 7 is on lying 1000, so place value is 7,000. If 2 is lying on lakh, so place value is 2 lakh. So this is how our place value concept is made. Now coming on to face value. What is face value? Students, let's check. Let me erase the board for you once. Okay. So, can you see my face? Does my face changes? No, my face doesn't change, and your face also doesn't change. So values also doesn't change in face value condition. For example, 3 is on ones place, so here face value will remain 3. These values are the face values only. We need not mention place here. 3 is the face value. Face value. 3 is the face value, 4 is the face value, 2 is the face value. If somebody asks me what is the face value of thousands place, so I will simply say 7. Here face value is 5, here face value is 2, because face value never changes, right? Now we are heading towards our next topic, that is Indian number system. Our new topic of today is Indian number system or Indian place value system. What do you mean by Indian system? What is Indian system? Indian, you can see from it comes from India. So yes, the system of numbers which is followed in India is known as Indian system. What if a system is followed outside India? Then that is called international number system. That is called international number system, which we will be reading in our next classes. So what is Indian system? Let's say I am taking a number here. 7523. If I want to read it, I can easily read it. This is 3. This is 2, 5, 7. But if I want to write the number name, how will I write the number name? I have told you in class 3 that first you have to read these. This place value, then this place value, and then these two together, like 7,500, and always we are reading last two digits together. 7,523, 7,523. But what if more numbers are added to your group? Let's say this, 10,000 places added and lakhs places added. It becomes difficult for us to read this larger number. It becomes difficult for us to read this larger number. So we have found a solution for this. What we are going to do, let's say one more number is added. Let's take one more number. Let's add 5 here. Let's add 5 here and 10 lakh places added. Now students, because this is a larger number, so what I am going to do, I am going to make groups like I am making in class now, same ways, and I will make groups like who belongs to the group, like thousands and 10,000s. Can you feel these are partners because 1,000 on both numbers? So these comes in a one group, and lakh, 10 lakh, they both will come in one group. What about ones, tens and hundreds? They doesn't have anything in common. So I have put all these three in one group. So let's make leaders of these group. Who is the leader here? Okay, how I will decide the leader? I will start from back side because our place value chart starts from back side. So I will start from back side. Whoever will be sitting in group first will become group leader. For example, here ones is sitting. So ones is the group leader. Here 1000 is sitting first. So 1000 is the group leader. And here lakh is sitting first. So lakhs is the group leader. So ones, thousands, lakhs. But in maths we will not write group leaders. We will call them ones period. Means the name of this group we have kept ones period. The name of this group we have kept thousands period. The name of this group we keep lakhs period. So we have given three places, three groups, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. And before writing the number name, one thing which we have to keep in mind is every time in every question we cannot make boxes now because it will be difficult for every question. So what we will do in place of boxes, we will always put comma. Whenever one group's end, before that we will put one comma. For example, one group is ending here, we will put a comma. One group is ending here, we will put a comma, and this group is ending but no group is there, so we will leave the comma. So here we can put commas. What is the benefit of putting commas? You need not make boxes every time. Now we will start writing number according to groups. What is the number in this group? 5, 8. But how do we read it? 58. We read it as 58. So one group and its leader's name, next group and its leader's name. So it becomes very easy for us to write number name. For example, 58 we have written. Now what is the place? Who is the leader here? Lakhs. So first I wrote the number name of these two numbers, 58, then the group leader name, Lakhs. Now moving to next number is 67. We cannot write 67. So I have written here 67. And who is the group leader here? Thousands. 67 thousands. Now moving to next. What is this number? 5, 2, 3. Do I write 5, 2, 3 here? No. I will speak it together. 523, like we were doing in class 3. We were reading all the three numbers together. So I will speak it 523. And who is the group leader here? Ones. But ones we need not write because the value of ones is 1. We have read in place value topic also. 6 ones means 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6 only. So any number multiplied by 1 gives same value. So that's why we need not write ones here. We will end our number name here only. Let's read it once again. This is 58 lakhs, 67,523. 58 lakhs 67,523. So students, this is all for the day. This was our last topic, Indian system. So we have studied 3 topics today: place value, face value and Indian system. So that's all from my side. Homework worksheets you can see in your Dropbox which is sent to you. Bye bye. Thank you.